In this e-tutorial, we will examine different ways to use the bidimensional elements of a drawing to create the corresponding 3D model. In the first example, we start from a drawing of a sheet metal bended object. We have a developed view and side view. In the drawing structure, we can see the groups. In the Layers tab, we can turn off the visualization of some layers. They contain the entities useless in the 3D environment, as dimension, text, and so on. Let's open a new model. First, we want to show the world plane. We set it in the Option Properties dialog box. Then, in the Appearance category, we hide the plane and keep only the set of 3 axes. We arrange the 2 opened windows vertically, the one which contains the model and the other with the drawing. In the 2D environment, we simply select all the visible entities and, by keeping pressing the first button of the mouse, we drag them into the model. The program informs us that the groups will be exploded because the entity group is typically of the 2D environment and it does not exist in the 3D environment. Let's close the drawing. We don't need it in the following. Now we maximize the window of the model. We select the right front view. We can notice that all the entities imported from the 2D environment lie on the XY plane. First, we have to change the orientation of the entity which represent the side view of our model. We rotate them of 19 degrees around the y-axis. Then we want to move them. We drag the handle of the zeta vector to make the handle origin coincident with that point. Let's zoom to verify the position. It's correct. These are bidimensional entities. If we wanted to use them inside the solid commands, the 2D entities must lay on the XY plane. Let's create a plane through 3 points. Now the entities lie on the XY plane, and we can use them by selecting with the Change command inside the Linear Solid command. We obtained the extrusion direction and its sides by dragging the handle to the endpoint. This object is bended. Let's unbend it by using the Sheet Metal Unbend command. Now the entities lie on a plane. We will use the entities belong to the developed view, come from the 2D environment. We will remove material from the solid. We select the internal buttonhole with the Chain command and the 3 circles which represent holes. After selecting them, we run the Linear Slot command, and these profiles are using to remove the material. OK. This is our first result. We select the external contour and we switch to the profile environment. We want to draw another rectangle which includes the internal profile. We have an island, and with the Linear Slot command we can remove the external material. With the Rebend command we bend the object again. Last, using the Filter command, we select all the entities different from solids to hide them. This is the model. Let's save it. This is the object we have obtained by using the elements present in the corresponding drawing. Last, we close it.